In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a buy button from Gumroad to your WordPress website. First, open Gumroad in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, you will see sections such as Products, Sales, Collaborators, and more on the left side of the screen. Now open the Help Center from the bottom left corner and search for the article about integrating Gumroad into websites. Inside the article, open the Widgets page using the provided link. On the Widgets page, choose the product you want to add to your WordPress website. After selecting the product, choose the Overlay or Buy button option. You can also customize the button text to match your website design. Once everything is ready, click Copy Embed Code. Now go to your WordPress website dashboard and open the page or post where you want to place the Gumroad Buy button. Add a custom HTML block and paste the embed code inside it. After saving or publishing the page, the Gumroad Buy button will appear on your WordPress website and visitors will be able to open the checkout page directly from the button. And that's how to add a Gumroad Buy button to WordPress. Thanks for watching and goodbye.